morning, children. Today we are going to see practice paper number 8 from your total English book. First part of the grammar is correct form of the verb. We will see I will read the questions for you and I will be telling you the answer. Please see. Specific real life objects and activities like your television set or a game of football can be your thought starters and luck makers. There was once a famous writer named Arthur J. Burks who boasted that he could take any object and make a story out of it. An interviewer for Reader's Digest once tasted him by pointing to a doorknob. Burks went into a trance and came up with a plot for a detective story actually it will be featuring FEATURING, a catch of stolen diamonds hidden in the hollow interior of the knob. The interviewer tiptoed away as the slow tap-tap of Burke's typewriter became increasingly noisy, high-speed clatter. Okay, so this is the answer. Now come to your fill up the blanks, that is preposition. He bore away the first prize in the competition. He did not comply with the wishes of his father. The bus broke down, means it on the highway, means there was mechanical failure. The old man was run over by a truck, dashed by a truck, that means. After the modification, things are looking up. The major agreed to carry out the commander's orders. We look up to our teachers as our guide. The family always failed for want of help. Now number C. Join the following sentences to make one complete sentence without using and, but or so. He may run away anywhere. The police will arrest him. Wherever he runs away, the police will arrest him. When will you face the interview? Your selection depends on it. Your selection depends on when you will face the interview. Number 3. We went to the market, we bought some biscuits. We bought some biscuits from the market. Okay. Here we see preposition phrase is used. Number 4. The boy is still very weak. He must not play football. The boy is still not strong enough to play football. Now, rewrite the following sentences according to the instruction given after each. Make other changes that may be necessary, but do not change the meaning of each sentence. He said to me, let us have breakfast. You suggested. So this is direct indirect speech, children. He suggested to me that we should have breakfast. The children got lost because they did not have a map. If the children had a map, they would not have got lost. I could not but feel sorry for her mother. I could not keep feeling sorry for her mother. It looks as if Tanya has applied for the wrong job. Tanya seems to have applied for the wrong job. I am sorry I gave you the wrong number, said Ritu to Ramesh. This is direct indirect speech, children. Ritu apologized Ramesh for having given him the wrong number. Gopi was left with a big fortune by her father. Use inherit. Gopi inherited a big fortune from her father. There are 11 players in a football team. A football team comprises 11 players. He is getting so absent-minded. He cannot go on working much longer. He is getting too absent-minded to go on working much. Then, when their parents died, their uncle took care of them, brought up. After their parents' death, they were brought up by the uncle. This is all about practice paper number 8. Thank you and have a nice day.